Assalamu alaikum dear students, hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. This is Fatematuj Johora, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Dear students, today we are going to take a class for the students of class 8, and today's topic is chapter 4, lesson number 8, 9 and 11. We will discuss about Akhlaq-e-Jamima, and it is lesson number 9, vanity, and 11 it is envy. Akhlaq-e-Jamima is one kind of bad characteristics. The example of bad characteristics or detestable characteristics. Okay, all the neglectable characteristics described here in Akhlaq-e-Jamima. And in lesson 9 we will describe about the vanity. You know, vanity means egoism, and here one kind of arrogance, you can say also. And another lesson is envy, means jealousy. All these things we will discuss today. Okay, dear students, let's start our today's topic. Here, Islam and moral education, it is subject, topic number chapter 4, and it will be lesson 8, 9 and 11. Okay, it will be lesson 8, and here is lesson 9 and 11. These three lessons we will discuss today. Okay, of course lecture number it is 4 and HW number also 4. Okay, dear students, now start our today's topic. It is chapter number 4, lesson 8, Akhlaq-e-Jamima. You know, Akhlaq-e-Jamima is the detestable activities or traits like pride, bravery, indecency, envy, hatred, theft. These are the characteristics of Akhlaq-e-Jamima, which make a person narrow-minded and hateful, are called Akhlaq-e-Jamima. So here are the definition of Akhlaq-e-Jamima. You can memorize it from book. Okay, here are the definition of Akhlaq-e-Jamima. Bad effect of Akhlaq-e-Jamima are vast. You know that we can describe about the bad effect of Akhlaq-e-Jamima. Driven by Akhlaq-e-Jamima, those people are disgraced and dishonored in the society. They are deprived of others' love. The peace and order of the society are obstructed. The illegal and improper contacts are spread out in the society through these characteristics. Understand? So we have to stay away from Akhlaq-e-Jamima, all this kind of detestable characteristics, so that we can maintain peace and order in the society by making our surrounding beautiful and winning others' respect and love. So these are the definition of Akhlaq-e-Jamima, bad effect of Akhlaq-e-Jamima. Now according to these things you can say something about Akhlaq-e-Jamima. Okay, what should you do, what is your duty about Akhlaq-e-Jamima? Okay, now it is lesson number 9, vanity. Vanity, you know, vanity means the egoism. Okay, egotism, amity, pride, hubris, and here heightness. Okay, and here arrogance and boast, etc. Having a falsely high estimation of oneself or considering other as ordinarily inferior is called vanity. So here is the definition of vanity. You can underline it because you have to give this definition of vanity if it is come in CQ. Okay, if it is come in CQ, you have to give the definition of this vanity, or it can become A or B in CQ. The person who takes vanity in he is called pride. A person, proud person, consider himself or herself superior to other in many ways and thinks himself the best. So it is the characteristic of vanity or kibr. Okay, the three forms of this characteristic, these are very important. These three forms. It is to nourish a sense of vanity in heart, to express vanity in attitude and activities, to express vanity in behavior, speech. Okay, these are the forms of pride. You should stay away from this. Okay, stay away from all these things. Now here it is a person boasts of his birth, property, beauty, strength, power, etc. For instances, a rich and wealthy person's vanity in money, a woman's vanity in physical beauty, and a power person's vanity in power, a scholar's vanity in knowledge, etc. So, the person are using vanity or feeling vanity in this way. The scholar person feeling vanity about their knowledge, and the woman about their physical beauty, and here those has the prosperity, well, they used to feel vanity about their wealth, prosperity in these things. These are the example. Okay, so here bad effect of this vanity, according to their Almighty Allah say, منها فما يكون لك أن تتكبر فيها فاخرج إنك من الصاغرين. Get down from this place. You must not boast here, so leave the place at once. Certainly you are one of the worst. You know this ayat, the verses said about shaitan. When shaitan feel vanity. Okay. If it is come in CQ, C and D, you have to give this meaning of these verses. Okay, so here said by our Allah, said by Allah to the shaitan. So when shaitan feel vanity, then Allah said these things, and he stay away, or he was throwing from his place. Okay, a proud person is deprived both in the akhirat and worldly life. He or she is too disliked by Allah. So here vanity or proud, these things are the characteristics of shaitan. You should not follow the characteristics of shaitan. You know, these are the person using or having vanity, they are disliked by Allah and his Prophet Muhammad also. Here Allah said another place in Quran, Inna Allah la yuhibbu kulla mukhtalin fakhur. Inna Allah la yuhibbu kulla mukhtalin fakhur. Surely Allah does not love the arrogant. Okay. So, it is Surah Luqman. The great Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "La yadkhul jannata man kana fi qablihi mithqal zarratin min kibr." He who bears a grain of vanity shall not enter the heaven. It is Muslim Sharif Hadith. Everyone is subjected to some want or imperfection. So to boast does not sweat him. Okay, he who has to no wants can only take vanity. You know that Allah has created us giving some lackings. So we should not have any kind of vanity about these things. Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam, they said Allah has declared pride is my ornament. So you should not turn, or you should not use it, this kind of thing. Ever think about this. Therefore we will shun vanity, because man has nothing to take vanity in anything. These lessons teaches us. Okay, this lesson teaches us what? Vanity result in catastrophes here, and the proud are cursed. We will not take vanity in anything. Okay, here are the teaching of this vanity. If it is come in CQC and D, you have to give the reference with the meaning, and you have to give your own opinion about the vanity. Okay, here to give up the, here and in another space it is says to give up obscenity is one of the great characteristics of a mu'min. And here Allah says, "Allazina yajtanibuna kaba'ira al-ithmi wal fawahisha," means those who abandon the greater sins and vulgar deeds are mu'mins. Okay, so we have to following the characteristics of mu'min to exercise the principles and ideals of Islam. So you have to do this, follow these things to bring family and social awareness, and to execute a exemplarity punishment by lawful prevention, besides creating awareness. Okay, these are the duties of you. By reading these characteristics, by reading this lesson, you have to do this, you have to stay away from this. These two things are very important for you. Okay, now lesson 11. Envy, it is means hasad. It means jealous, means implies it is prosperity or feeling jealous about other prosperity. Here is the definition of jealous. You can give it if it is coming in CQ. Then here are the bad effect of envy. You know, bad effect of envy are also vast, like the bad effect of vanity. The first sin after the creation of human being is due to envy, you know. Or Kabil, the son of Adam alayhi salam, killed own brother Habil. Here, the first sin committed in this world was only the cause of envy. Okay, envy is jealous, because here Adam alayhi salam's two son was Habil and Kabil. You know the story, Habil and Kabil. And here one of them were feeling jealous about the other brother's partner. So that's why this kind of sin or the murder was happened about this and envy. One brother killed another brother only because of envy. Okay, here innal hasada ya'kulul hasanat kama ta'kulun narul khatab. As fire burns up the dry wood to ashes, similarly envy ruins the virtues of deeds. Okay, these are the meaning of these verses here. Here, envy destroys peace and keeps them burning with the torments of unhappiness. And an envious person is hated by both Allah and the human being. Here are the bad effects of the vanity. Here are the bad effects of envy. Allah the Omniscient teaches us in Quran Majid how we can keep away from envy. It is described in the Quran, save us from the haram of the envious, harm of envious, save us from the harm. It means bad or bad effect of envious when they envy. Okay, here that means jealous, or the you know, in Bangla hingshu used to say that here in the Surah Falak, Allah the gracious loves those whose hatreds are free from envy, and so they will enter the paradise. Here, listen, the students, save us from the harms of envy. Here, it is one kind of pray. If you pray this surah, then you can stay away from this, the eyes of the jealousy, with the protection of Allah. So here we can say this is envy are haram. You know, envy are haram. So because in cause of envy, or for the bad effect of envy, people used to do any kind of bad thing and abusing thing, forbidden thing. All these things are only for cause of envy. So you have to stay away from this. Then the bad effect of envies are vast in Islam. So Islam is not allowed you to envy. Here, come here, dear students. It is creative CQ. In your book, it is page number 118. CQ1 you have to do the HW. It is HW number 4. CQ1 C answer you have to do. It is HW number 4. Okay, HW number 4 you have to do it. With the help of book you can do it, and you must explain it. When it is explained, you have to give at least 5 or 6 pair over there, as it is according to class A. Okay, and there must be the reference from the book, I think, so that you will give it characteristics of Jamima, what is Jamima, and what kind of characteristics are included here, and how it is included here, this person. So you have to describe it here, and you have to give your own opinion also. Now see, here is the HW. It is HW number 4, CQ1C. You have to do it HW, and you have to submit it. I hope that you have understood today's lesson well, dear students. If you don't understand, if you have any query, you can ask me in live class, and do the HW carefully, submit it accordingly. That's all for today. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi.